Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or TikTok and seen those crazy videos of tiny AI workers? They're flipping burgers, fixing watches, or even building little cities. These videos are going viral and getting millions of views. People love watching them because they look so cool and fun. If you want to make your own viral AI videos like these, keep watching. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make them. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to get the right prompt. To make a great AI video, you need a great prompt. So open ChatGPT and type this in the box. Write me a prompt for generating an image of a miniature pizza factory scene featuring several tiny workers tending to a pizza making process. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a perfect prompt. Copy that prompt and get ready for the next step. Step 2. Use the prompt to make images. Now that you have your prompt, it's time to create the images for your video. We'll use this prompt in an AI image tool to bring your tiny pizza factory scene to life. Create your pizza factory image using Leonardo AI. First, go to Leonardo AI and click Get Started. It might take a few minutes to load. Once it's ready, click on Image Creation on the dashboard. You'll see a prompt box. Now, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Next, click on Image Dimensions and select 9:16. This size is perfect for Instagram Reels and videos. Choose your image style. I'm picking minimalistic and setting the contrast to medium. Once everything looks good, click Generate to create your image. If you don't like them or they don't fit your video, just click Generate again. Keep doing that until you find one you really like. When you find the best one, go ahead and download it. Step 3. Turn your image into a video. Now that you have your image, it's time to turn it into a video. Don't worry, it's super easy. There are lots of AI tools that can help you do this. All of these can turn your image into a cool video. But for this guide, we're going to use Pixverse AI because it's really fast and simple to use. Go to Pixverse AI. Every day, you get 160 free coins you can use to make videos without paying. When you get there, you'll see lots of short videos made by others. They look amazing and the quality is really good. Now, click on Create to get started. Then click Upload Image and choose the image you made earlier. You'll also see some cool settings like effects, transitions, sounds, and more. These features help you make your video look and sound even better. For this video, I'm adding an auto sound. To do that, just click on Auto Sound, then type a short description of the sound you want. Just like I'm doing. Now paste the video prompt you generate using ChatGPT. When everything is ready, click Create. In just a few seconds, your video will be done. You can also pick a video style to match the look you want. Now you can download your video and get it ready to share on Instagram or TikTok.